welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is MY-REE, and today I got in the mail a new palette from Nicka. I did order this online. I love Nicka eyeshadow palettes. Like, their palettes are one of my favorite products. So these are the three Nicka palettes I was referring to. I do have a video on all three of these palettes, and I will leave a link down below. So if you guys want to check them out, this palette is so freaking good. Like, look at the eye look that I created. This is reminding me of like a festival or something from the Caribbean, or what is that? Where the girls dress up all cute and they have the big feathers. Oh my god. So this is the Nicka Sunset Sangria palette. Online, the palette looked way smaller to me, and when I got it in mail today, it was this big. So compared to their 9 shadow palettes, it's bigger. I did swatch the shadows. So this whole entire palette is so pigmented. Like, I didn't even struggle or anything as far as like blending the shadows. I didn't have any problem with the shadows. It did have some fallout, but I'm not, you know, somebody that is like, oh my god, I got fallout. Like, I'm not somebody that is just, I get mad at stuff like that. There's only 4 mattes, and then the rest of the 12 shades are metallic, and you do have 16 eyeshadows in here. You guys, I just love this palette already. The same quality that's in the Nicka palettes, a little small one, is in these as well. So they do have another palette. They did come out with 2. They came out with the Sunset Sangria, and then the other one is back there. I don't want to show y'all until I actually do that video. I'm gonna do it tomorrow night. Right now, my first impression, I would give it a 10 just off of the shades that I tried. Like I said, I didn't try every shade in here, so I tried the 2 pinks. This gold shade is my favorite. Oh my god, that was my favorite. So I tried the 2 pinks, the gold. I tried this blue shade down here, like that teal blue, and then like this really deep forest green. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss a video from me. Hit the thumbs up and hit the bell to be notified. Make sure you guys share the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in another one. Bye.